Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we'll discuss the ISO 9001 QMS checklist for manufacturing industries. ISO 9001 is not just about having documents, it's about proving your process work. This checklist breaks down the high level requirements into actionable steps. So let's walk through the steps to see if your system is actually ready for the auditor. So first checkpoint is document control. In this, what to verify? All procedures, work instructions and records are latest, approved and accessible at the point of use. The next serial number is process compliance. Then in process compliance, what to verify? Processes are followed as per defined procedures and work instructions. Then third checkpoint is records and data control. What to verify? Required records are created, maintained, stored and retrievable. Then fourth checkpoint is input material control. Then in input material control, what to verify is incoming materials are inspected, approved and correctly identified. Then 5 number it will come production control. In production control, what to verify? Production is carried out as per the established parameters and schedules. Then 6 serial number it will come monitoring and measurement. What to verify? Inspection and monitoring are done as per plans, equipment is in calibration. The 7th checkpoint is machine maintenance. What to verify? Machines are maintained as per the plan, maintenance records are available. Then 8th checkpoint is non-conforming control. What to verify? Non-conforming products are identified, segregated and dispositioned. Then serial number 9 is risk and opportunity. What to verify? Risk and opportunities are identified, reviewed and actions are taken. Then 10 checkpoint is training and competency. What to verify is employees are trained, competent and awareness is recorded. Then 11 checkpoint is internal audit. What to verify? Internal audits are planned, conducted and findings are closed. Then 12 serial number is corrective action. What to verify? Corrective actions are taken for non-conformities are verified for effectiveness. Then the last serial number, that is 13, is the customer satisfaction. What to verify? Customer feedback or complaints are analyzed and actions are taken. After using checklist system, we will get the benefits from the following points. First is process discipline improved, complaints reduced, audit findings reduced, team accountability increased, overall quality performance improved. I hope this ISO 9001 checklist makes your next audit much smoother. If you found this helpful, a simple like goes a long way in supporting PlasticPharmTech. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.